What's the meaning of commentate? Commentate. Commentate.
Commentate. Commentate. Commentate is a verb that means to provide a commentary or analysis on an event or situation. It is commonly used in the context of sports or news broadcasts, where commentators provide their opinions and observations on the actions taking place. Commentating can add depth and understanding for viewers who may not be familiar with the subject matter. Overall, commentating is a way for individuals to share their expertise and insights on a particular topic with others.